Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to find and utilize the blurred red edge effect on CapCut. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to Effects, Video Effects, Retro, scroll down to find the blurred red edge effect. Click and drag it down to the timeline. And now we're just going to take a look how it reacts to the video, bring it to the end of the clip. And now we're going to go up to the special effects tab with the effect already highlighted, and we can mess with the blur of the effect, the filter of the effect, and the strength of the effect as well, right? So let's take a look. And there you have the blurred red edge effect. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.